Hello. Today we're going to take a look at the API integration tool for DataMaker. Now first we'll start off by looking at the DataMaker app itself. Now this is a data generator that can use a API bridge in order to link to a system under test, or basically some other system that we want to generate data for. So in today's example we're using capacities as our system under test. And we have our clients field here, and we're going to add some new clients, and then later we're going to assign projects to these clients. And we're going to do all of that using DataMaker. Now we have the API bridge feature and the templates feature. We'll be starting with the API bridge. Now we already have our API bridge set up for this project, but if you needed to do this for your project, you would go to Add New Endpoint. You would have your API name, and then you have the methods. These are the HTTP request methods, I guess, which are standard in RESTful APIs. So you have get, post, put, patch, delete. So you select your method, give it the name, enter your endpoint, and then whatever parameters or authentication you would like to add as well. Okay, we're going to discard this because we don't need it. And we don't have any clients at the moment in our capacities app, so first we're going to post some clients to capacities. So we'll go post capacities clients. As you can see, we have our name, we have our method, we have our endpoint. Okay, so we're going to use that on the API bridge. Let's go to templates. Now, this is the same idea as before. We have our templates created already for the project today. However, if you need to create a template, you would go to Add New Template. You start entering whatever fields with whatever names and data types you would want to use. So you have words, number, Boolean, etc. But again, we have ours set up for today, so we'll discard this. We'll go to Create Clients because that's what we're trying to do. And as you can see, we already have the fields entered. We have ID, name, country, address information, etc. All the stuff we need to create our clients, and we have the information there. So we have our post capacities clients. We have that set up. We have our create clients template. Let's go to export data. And we have our drop-down menu here. Now, DataMaker can create CSV or JSON files. It can also export via REST API or to a database, but today we're doing REST API, so we'll select that. We will select our endpoint, and we're doing post capacities clients. We have all our information here already. And we'll enter the number of data points or the number of clients that we want. Let's do 10 for today. All right, execute. There we go. And it made 10 new clients. All right, let's take a look. Go to capacities, refresh, and there we go. 10 new clients. Beautiful. Okay, so that's how you can use the REST API to create clients, or create data in this case. Now, we have our 10 clients, but they need projects. This is in this app, we keep track of clients and projects and what they're assigned to. So let's go back. In the API bridge, we also have this post capacities projects where we can post projects to our clients. Go to template, go to create projects. Okay, we have all of our information here for our project. We'll go to export data. And we'll select, again, REST API. We'll select our endpoint, and this time we'll do post capacities projects. And how many data points do we want? Let's go with 20. Okay. And in this case, we'll have to send as array and send individually. That way it's assigned to each of the clients. And execute. Bada bing, bada boom. There we go. We'll go back to capacities, refresh again, and as you can see, our users now have projects assigned to them. Awesome. So we were able to export all of that data to our system under test using the REST API integration for DataMaker. Okay, I hope this has been useful to you all, and I wish you a nice day. Thank you very much.